long time ago there was a king and a queen. Although rich but lonely they had been. Even though both of them smiled, their joys were a little mild, because they both craved for a little child. As the snow fell, the queen loved it so. She wished for a girl as white as the snow. And soon her wish was granted. She got what she wanted. She had a daughter with a snowy glow. The three of them became a happy family. Cheers and joy all around them they could see. But the queen fell ill and weak. Her recovery looked bleak. She left Snow White in tears, you would agree. Soon the king married and brought another queen. No one more beautiful than herself she had seen. And she had a magic mirror which would always give her an answer for which she was very keen. Mirror, mirror on the wall, answer my call, and tell me who is the fairest of them all.
It's no one but you, my queen, the most beautiful I've seen. Your beauty is never going to fall.
The queen felt so happy and so proud. She raised her hands and laughed out aloud. But then she remembered something, that she and the king had a daughter who was fair as a white cloud. The queen felt jealous of Snow White. Losing to her own stepdaughter wasn't right. So the queen called for a huntsman and told him what had to be done. With Snow White dead, there will not be a fight. The queen's huntsman was a kind, noble man. To save the girl, he had a great plan. He left the girl on a tree so that no beast could see the little girl. Then her journey began. Snow White searched for a way out best she could. At last in front of a cottage she stood. She walked in to find some food, warmed by the firewood. Being tired, her eyes felt almost glued.